How to reactivate your disabled Discord account. These are the scenarios for why your account might be disabled. 1. Self-disabled account. Open Discord and enter your email and password. Then click on Login. You'll see a page stating that your account is disabled. Click on the Restore Account button located under Return to Login. You'll be logged back into your account. It's that simple. 2. Account disabled by Discord. Open any web browser on your system. Go to Discord's official website. Click on Support at the top of the website. Select Submit a Request. In the What Can We Help You With section, select Appeals and Age Update and other requests. Enter your email address associated with the disabled account. In the How Can We Help section, choose Appeal and Action Taken on My Account or Bot. Then, in the What Would You Like to Appeal section, select An Action Taken on My Account. Enter the subject as Appeal Regarding My Disabled Account. Provide a detailed explanation in the description box. Mention any relevant information, like if you received an email from Discord explaining the reason for the disablement. Attach any supporting files if necessary. Click Submit. Keep an eye on your email inbox for a response from Discord. You must reply to their email within 14 days, or your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it.